Come test drive the 2025 Passport. This compact SUV from Honda is a good compromise of size and comfort. The compact design lets you maneuver well through heavy traffic while still having ample space to carry most anything you need. The Passport gives you the comfort of Honda reliability and quality. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, trip computer, compass, fog lights, clock, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, HD radio. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.